All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So what's on my Galaxy S9, you ask? Huh? Here it is. One of the most boring, basic setups that I have on pretty much all of my phones. I have them set up all the same. They're all set up the same. I just kind of give you some kind of idea here. Same thing. Galaxy S9 and Galaxy Note 8 set up pretty much the same. But let's do it. So right here, I got a settings icon. I got my Norton. I got my home security, my home light system, Bible, my Apple Music. Got to keep my Apple Music on there. Travel folder, shopping, social. Inside of here, these are the apps that I have right here currently set up on this Galaxy S9. And then travel, I got a few things in there for flight. No, I don't have my flight. That's the difference. I don't have my flight information, all the flights and stuff on this one. I just have remotes. These are remotes to cars and my fuel rewards, and obviously Android Auto. Social, set up here. These are the things that I have for social. A few things on the front here. I like about Android phones, or these Galaxies in particular, is that it's enough room in the folders to fit a lot of apps. Like literally, it's a lot of apps can be fit in there. Just like on the Mi Mix, the social folder, you know what I'm saying? It fits a lot. Unlike the Apple, it only shows I think 9 on the front. So this is my social folder right here. And then on this one, same thing like the other ones, credit cards, business, and I got my shipping information over here. And it's not in the shopping. I normally would have it mixed with the shopping, but I don't know why I got my Planet Fitness in my shopping. I don't know what that's about. But that's pretty much it, man. I got my phone, messages, camera, both emails. This is my iOS mail down there. And this is my Gmail, obviously. And then you swipe up, and I got more apps and stuff in the app tray here. But that's it, man. Pretty simple, basic. That's what's on my Galaxy S9. This is the current setup. So let me know what apps you have or how you're using your Galaxy S9, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.